When we're in a position to help, most of us are eager to assist others. And that attitude is one of the driving forces for the Hygieia Network, an ISSA charity program. To make helping others a reality, look no further than the Hygieia Network Mentoring Program. And to speak about the program, we have two special guests today with us, industry professionals who can speak to the impact of the mentoring program. We have Maureen Carroll, the Director of Sales for GBAC, a division of ISSA, and also Elizabeth Hawver, the Key Account Director at Essity. So let's start with you, Maureen, and get some information about the mentoring program. Tell us about ISSA Hygieia Network's mentoring program, just some details.
The ISSA Hygieia Network's mentoring program is a one-on-one mentoring program that connects mentees with leaders in the cleaning industry. We have a robust database of leaders within the industry that are all very passionate about mentoring, that can offer very valuable insights and advice. So if you aren't a member and aren't part of the program today, we strongly encourage you to join.
So another question I would ask, Elizabeth, we'll go to you for this one. Why does Hygieia feel that it's important for professionals in the industry to serve as a mentor?
Yeah, I think mentoring in general is a great opportunity to develop your own feedback and critical thinking skills. It's an opportunity to build and improve your leadership skills and your communication skills, and really to help drive change in this industry. It gives you a better understanding of the challenges. For example, one of the greatest things about this particular program is you have access and the opportunity to connect with people outside your own company. So people who might be in other parts of the industry or have different business models. So it's a really great learning opportunity for the mentor as well. And most importantly, it's an opportunity to give back to the community and to make a difference in someone else's career.
Yeah, I think it's interesting because people think of a program like that the mentee will benefit, but really both do, don't they? So that's
Absolutely.
Nice to see.
Definitely.
My next question to Maureen, what are some benefits that you think a mentee can receive from a mentor?
First and foremost, I think it's guidance and support, number one. As Elizabeth mentioned, sometimes it's nice to get a fresh perspective from someone that isn't directly involved in a situation. So it's nice to be able to reach out to someone, bounce ideas off them, help encourage career moves and career advancement. And then also to help with dealing with issues. Sometimes you just need someone to ask, like, hey, how would you deal with this? Or how should I approach this situation? I've been very fortunate in my career to have a couple of really great mentors. One that I still reach out to, she's the first person I contact when I am dealing with an issue that I need help with. So I think that that's all really critical to, professional and personal advancement.
Yeah, it's nice to be able to have that relationship, that help that is needed. So Elizabeth, tell us this, what does being a mentor and a mentee involve as far as commitment and what's expected?
Yeah, absolutely. So the commitment is typically a 6-month mentoring relationship. And you decide between the mentor and the mentee how frequently you want to meet and in what format. Obviously, in the virtual world of today, it's primarily Zoom calls or Teams calls or over the phone. But the Kronos platform also does offer a virtual meet feature as well. So you have many options as to how to meet. And of course, if you like your mentoring relationship, you can extend that as well. We do offer also a flash mentoring program, which gives you the opportunity to just have a one-time chat if you're just dealing with an urgent issue. But we do encourage people to make that longer-term commitment because that's where you get the real value.
Well, my last question is to you, Maureen. How can those from the cleaning industry join Hygieia's mentoring program as a mentor or a mentee?
So you can go to mentoring.hygieianetwork.org and register. We encourage you to fill out your profile completely. It asks you what skills you're looking for help with, what skills, if you're a mentor, what skills you can offer guidance on. So to fill that out, and then you can opt to match yourself. So you can reach out to a mentor and ask for the mentoring, submit a mentoring request, or you can ask the system administrator to match for you. So there's two options to do it, but we encourage you to visit mentoring.hygieianetwork.org and register today.